Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're outside of Las Vegas, Nevada here at the Bronco Off-Roadeo. Behind me here is Bronco Raptor base camp. I am super excited. We're going to have a full day of off-roading in the Raptor. They're going to show us all the cool things we can do with these things, so stick with us. Well guys, we are on the Raptor Ridge Trail here, just waiting our turn, so it's going to be a pretty cool experience. What do you think, Greg?
It's going to be great.
You know, great weather out here, 60s and no wind today, so we'll take it.
Got it. Yep. Give me one click back. There we go, just like that. Very nice. Very nice. Coming up. That's it. Nice and slow. You got it. There we go. Start turning in. That's it. Even more. Chop it in. Chop it in. Hard, 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 hard. Yep. Good. Keep coming forward. All right. Now front camera time. You're going to kind of look at that front camera as you're going over this edge, this crest. It'll help you out throughout the day, okay? Come on up. Straighten the tires out. There we go. Very nice. That's it. Slow and steady. You guys got it. Fantastic. We're going to follow down to the right.
Oh, well, it's tumbling. There you go. What do you think, right? Pretty bumpy?
Oh, it's bumpy.
It's bumpy.
Wide open space.
Cactus, desert. Pretty cool though. Should be getting to Bronco, what'd they call it? Raptor Valley here soon?
Raptor Valley.
That's where we get to do the faster, fun, high-speed stuff. Guys, we made it to Raptor Valley down there. That's where we're gonna do some high-speed stuff.
So you can see Anthony, watch his brake lights. You can see how long they stay on. Then he's coasting, and then now accelerating as he exits. That's always a good question. Probably somebody that doesn't work here anymore. Yeah, honestly, it's a tough thing because most of us, you know, have raced and done a lot of this kind of stuff, so it gets kind of competitive at times. So we are not allowed to time. And again, I don't want to break.
All right, guys, that's gonna about do it for this off-rodeo adventure here outside of Las Vegas. We had an awesome day, jam-packed with tons of trail driving, off-road, rock crawling, all kinds of stuff. So in summary, I would say that everything was excellent. I guess I wish we could have done some more laps when we got to the Raptor Valley area where you do the Ultra 4 course. You only get 2 laps, and that's just not enough to get comfortable with the truck and the layout of the track. You only got 2 attempts at doing the jump too, so I think if they gave you a few more laps, that would be nice. They did serve lunch and dinner. I think they're trying too hard to be fancy on that stuff and justify that $1,000 cost for your passengers. I think they should just do some basic sandwiches and stuff and cut that price down in half, maybe $500 for a passenger. So $1,000 is a lot because you're not really getting much besides them riding along and then the lunch. So a little steep on the price there, I think. But at the beginning of the day, they just kind of walk you around the Bronco, show you all the buttons and stuff, and then they do a little rock crawling demonstration, showing you how all the suspension travels and all the things you can do there. And then we started the day off with some awesome trails, some slow stuff, tight stuff, very steep terrain. But it was awesome fun. So I definitely recommend you check it out. But if you guys have any questions about the experience, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.